There's the front. I'm probably gonna have to go around. It's just uprooted. I haven't actually walked around in the daylight yet. This poor tree. Let's see. Okay, so then we got this tree. Actually, that came from up there. And came down. Wow! Actually, there's a lot more down than looks like than I thought. But I don't know what's... So anyways, came right through this portion of the fence. It bent my fence post. Dang. Anyways, not that big a deal. It's just a little part of the fence. I mean, it's a big tree though. Pretty tall. Not too tall, but pretty tall. Oh. I wonder if I could just step on this and get myself hurt. Oh. Documenting myself getting myself hurt. Get out of the way. I'm just too lazy to open a gate. Isn't that horrible? It'd be great if I had balance. I don't know where my balance went. Hold on. Might have some bad video. Trying to get over. Oh. Disregard that grunt. Okay, we're in the yard. We're in the yard. Gotta get off this tree. Not die. Gross. So anyways, going through the tree. Holy, get out of the way, dang. Oh, is that another tree down? Probably can't see it on the video. It tore up some of these trees. I can't even... Oh, here's some more damage. That tree was not bent like that. It hasn't touched the fence over here quite yet. There's a big old... That tangle was already in there though. These trees are old, I think. Let's get in here. Probably shouldn't actually get in here under here, but one of those is. This, I don't remember if this was down like this. I kind of doubt it. But let's get out of this section. Oh, there's a spider web. Who wants to see a spider web? Can we even see it? Really, really light. Well, I'm gonna go around it. Okay. Well, here's the other tree that's down in the yard. Oh, that's a big one. Can you see back there? Let's see. I'll have to go back there maybe. Oh, well, I'm back here. The neighbor's tree that was probably twice that size. Maybe not twice, but you know, you can tell that the tip of it's gone. And there was a walnut tree right there beside it. I believe is uprooted. There, a tree in the fenced-in area got split. Let's go see if I can figure out anything in here. See, I was trying to get the picture of that where this came off of, which is big. I honestly don't know how much of this is new. Some of this isn't new, but I'm betting a lot of it is new. I can't get over there. So much growth. Probably shouldn't be stepping around in here, but there, you can see that tree. That's what I was trying to show. Actually, I honestly don't know, because a lot of stuff grew since I've been in there. So I don't know how much of it's. Let's go see over here. I didn't get this far. Holy crap. So yeah, I guess there's some more damage I didn't know about. This big girl. Holy sh... Hello. Honestly, that fence is not useful anymore. Oh, this. That wasn't there. So yeah. Quite a bit more. Holy sh... Like, it cleanly ripped off the fence. My fence is up there now. This is great. Just great. So it beat up this whole fence here. A giant opening now. That'll be dealt with later. What the fuck? Sorry. I'm like, what the? Okay. Let's see if we can get over there. Oh, I just hit myself. Okay, at least it wasn't poisonous. Ugh. Get out of here. There's a lot of poison ivy. Get off me, stick. Jeez. So this weather was great last night. Is it? Oh, fuck. Almost walked completely through a spider web. That's the neighbor's dog. Oh, okay. That tree went all the way into the neighbor's yard. That's cool. Let's see. They cleaned up most of their damage. They were pretty good about it. Anyways. Oh, this is the... Oh, maybe this was the one he was talking about. Oh, their fence got beat up. Dang. This neighbor got a lot of trees in their yard. Oh. Hello? What the hell is that? It started raining on me for no reason under the tree. Anyway. Hopefully their swing set's okay. This woods is beat up. Oh, it's my documentation for now. The chicken coop is okay. The baby tree is okay. There's my man. I gotta go.